Turn around, show your hair.
Like all
Okay.
me.
All me. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Mommy Heels. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become part of the Heel Gang. I have my beautiful sister here, y'all. I'm going to be showing you guys how I do her Fox Locks crochet braids, y'all. She has individuals in the front and she has the crochets in the back. So if you're interested in how I got this look, then keep watching this video. Okay, so let's get into what we're using. We're using Bobby Box Fox Locks with the curly tips. This is in the color 1B30. I have my rat tail comb, I have my regular comb, I have the sewing needle, and I have the edge control. Okay, if you're interested in purchasing this hair, I'll leave the link below so you can find it on Amazon. Okay, so for her braid pattern, this is pretty simple. I'm just doing smaller braids up front, and then she has about 4 or 5 chunky braids in the back connecting the smaller braids. I left out her leave out. I just braided that to keep that kind of out the way. And yeah, if you don't know how to braid, I'm pretty sure there's different braid patterns, but this is the braid pattern I'm using for her because she has thick hair, okay? I'm going to go ahead and start off by crocheting a few in so that I can like kind of connect her hang time from the back to the braids up top. I hope I'm explaining this right, but yeah, that's all I'm doing right here. Just taking a few of the fox locks and just kind of like securing her hair that's hanging at the back. And I got this tip from my aunt. She does braids. She's been braiding for years, but I thought this was a neat way to do it without having to sew, actually sew the hair down with needle and thread. Alright, so for the next part, y'all, I'm showing y'all how I took her leave out and kind of like braided them in individual plaits with her real hair. And I'm just going to take the fox locks from the pack and kind of intertwine her real hair into the fox locks. This method was the easiest for me. I tried different methods, but with her hair being so long and thick, I just had to make sure that her real hair was braided small enough so that it would intertwine with the fox locks and blend really, really good. But y'all, this was the hardest part for me. The crochet part was so easy, but the hardest part is just basically trying to get it to blend to look as, look as natural as possible. But it's very easy. I must say it's very easy, the method that I'm doing right now. There's several methods on YouTube, and yeah, I'm pretty sure you will find this all over, but this was the easiest method for me. And y'all, all I'm doing is just unraveling that fox lock and just twisting it around her already plaited hair. Okay, and I'm sorry if you can't see this. I thought I had the camera position where you could see it, but that's all I'm doing. I'm just taking the fox lock and twisting it around her real hair, and you see how it's looking, how it blends. And I just do the same thing all the way to the bottom, and I just take my finger and kind of like roll the end so that it intertwines with her curl. And if I didn't mention, she is completely natural. So this was very easy to do, being that she has natural hair. I'm not sure if that makes a difference if your hair is relaxed or not, but her hair was already, freshly washed and just blow dry. And being her hair is natural, she basically wears in a curly state anyway. So yeah. I really do like the color of these fox locks, y'all. If you try this hair, if you use this method, please comment below and let me know how yours turned out. This hair is absolutely beautiful, y'all. Okay, and voila, we have the final look, y'all. Look at these Fox Locks crochet braids, y'all. They're absolutely gorgeous. So definitely check out the link below if you're interested. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till next time, mwah. Bye, YouTube.